Hello, my name's Curtis Ford. I'm the service manager here at Apple Ford. Today I have Mr. Andrew Dahl here, and we're going to tell you about our new service that we're excited to launch. It's called the Apple Ford Mobile Service, and this van here will be a van that will be able to come out to your house, your place of business, and we'll perform oil changes, tire rotations, basic services, and recalls. Here's Andrew Dahl, and he's going to tell you a little bit about what he's going to be able to do for you.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Andrew. I'm the pilot of this here mobile van. So we've got this rig outfitted to do basic maintenance and services at your home and tackle any recalls or any other things you need looked at and you just don't have the time to come into the dealership or it doesn't really work with your schedule. This van will go out locally near our dealership and we can check these things out for you in a jiffy.
Okay, we have multiple locations that we can assist you with getting your vehicle serviced. We have the 8800 Stanford Boulevard, which is at the dealership. We have the 8910 McGaw Court, which is our satellite location. And now we are launching this mobile service that will come to you. We will be able to do pretty much everything that your vehicle needs with basic service. And Mr. Andrew Dahl will show up and deliver that 5-star service the same way we would at the dealership. For all your service needs, you can reach me here at Apple Ford at cford@appleford.com, or you can reach me personally in my office at 443-539-1269. Thank you, and I look forward to servicing your vehicles.